So there's a lot of talk about this word success, and obviously success means different things to different people. To me, success is about being the best version of yourself. And in order to be the best version of yourself, you have to do the right things with the right people at the right times. You have to be who you want to be, do what you want to do, and live how you want to live with the people you want to live with the most. But today, I want to give you a new definition that I came up with. I want to give you a new idea, a new foundation that you can work with that will allow you to expand your success to greater horizons. So in this video, I'm going to redefine success again because I believe that success is the ability to consistently prove to God, to yourself, and to other people over a long period of time that you are doing exactly what it is that you are called to do. And what that means is that you are living on purpose. Now, in order to live on purpose, you have to know who your creator is, but you also have to know what it is that he wants you to do on this earth. And every single person in this world has an ability, they have a talent, they have a skill. You have something today that you can do for the rest of your life over and over again that will prove to God and will prove to yourself and will prove to other people that you are consistently and habitually living exactly the way that he wants you to live. So the first step is to prove it to God. When you prove it to God, you're basically giving yourself to him. You're giving full submission of who you are, and you're saying, God, you take over, you show me exactly what to do. For a lot of you, these are the beginning steps. So let me move on to the next point, because then you have to prove it to yourself. Maybe God has given you a vision. He's given you a mission. He's given you a purpose. But what you have to do right now is actually do it. You have to make sure that you're making it happen even when you don't feel like doing it. For example, you might be called to do something special, something important that God has been asking you to do for a very long time. Now, what you have to do is to talk yourself into God's promises again, because he's already proved himself to you. He's already shown you his miracles. He's already said to you, you are my child, you are the chosen one, you are the one who's going to do the thing that I'm asking you to do. What you have to do is you have to believe it. You have to prove it to God, and then you have to prove it to yourself. Once you've proven it to yourself, now you have to prove it to other people. Because it's easy to say, well, I'm living up to God's purpose, but if no one sees the light in you, if no one understands what it is that you do, then it's kind of purposeless, right? What you have to understand is that if you're pleasing God and you're doing exactly what you're called to do, you have to prove it to other people so that they can see the light too. They need proof. They need evidence that you are living up to your potential, that you are living on purpose. Now, for me, I know that other people know that I'm living up to my success because they see the results of their work. Maybe you're watching this video and you're thinking, man, Daniel, this has really helped me, or your past videos have helped me a lot, and I'm making a lot of changes. You see, that is proof. That is solid evidence so you can properly conclude that everything I'm teaching is actually working for you. So there you go, my friends. I just shared with you a new definition of success. If you enjoyed it, make sure to type yes in the comment section below and share this video with someone else who also needs it too. So again, this is Daniel Alley. I look forward to your success. I look forward to your prosperity. I look forward to everything that you do for the rest of humanity. Bye-bye.